This 7-plex apartment building is an incredible prospect for investors. It has a 2-car garage, coin-op laundry, and is ready for some work to bring it to its full potential. With the right renovations and updates, this property will be a great investment. It has plenty of potential to generate excellent rental income, making it a great opportunity for any investor. Bring your tool belt and imagination and don't miss out on this amazing endeavor. MLS number 2,047,832.